Let's try question number 15. We have root 8, and it's a good idea to convert this to mixed radical, which is 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. We have the common root 2 parts, so we're simply going to add the coefficients. 2 plus 3 is 5, so the answer is 5 root 2. You could think of this as 2x plus 3x, and the answer is 5x. Let's try number 16. We have root 8, which is the same thing as 2 root 2. And we have a minus sign and the cube root of 32. That's the same thing as 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 2's. We're going to take one set of 3 friends and break out of this level 3 jail. Everyone dies except for 1, 2. So this gets pulled out and becomes a single 2 on the outside. Plus 3 root 2 plus the cube root of 4. Unfortunately, this 4 is 2 times 2, but 2 friends cannot break out of this jail. It takes 3 people to break out of this one here. So notice how the 2 here, the coefficient, and the coefficient 3 here, you can add them. So doing that is 5 root 2. And going back to this jail story, the 2 comes out. This is minus 2 cube root, and this happens to be a 4. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the cube root of 4. And there's a hidden 1 here, so what we have now is the cube root of 4, the cube root of 4. We have a negative 2 here and a positive 1. So when you add these coefficients, negative 2 plus 1 is simply negative 1. So the final answer is 5 root 2 minus cube root of 4. Let's try number 17. Root 12 is the same thing as 2 times 6, which is 2 times 3. One of the 2's come out. So this is 2 times 2 root 3 all over 2. Don't forget about the divisor. The denominator, so the 2's cancel, and we have root 3 as our final answer. Now the square root, this is something you might have learned before. It's simply the square root of the top over the square root of the bottom. And so we have 3 over 5. In general, dealing with abstract variables, if you have the cth root of a over b, it's equals to the cth root of a divided by the cth root of b. So the question mark part is this part here. Now finally, this here is the heart of love. So simply break it apart to this part and this part here. We have negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. You can skip that step if you want. And if you focus on this part here, we're adding the second part, which is root 12 over negative 2. So this here is the common denominator, 2. So this simplifies to be 1 minus root 12 is the same thing as 2 times 3. One of these 2's come out. This is all over 2. So if you really want to cancel this out, this becomes 2 root 3 over 2, and the 2's cancel. So don't forget about the minus sign. The final answer is 1 minus root 3. This works much like basic arithmetic. If you say what's 2 over 5 plus 4 over 5, this is how mathematicians propose. It's the heart of love. We belong together. 2 plus 4. You can see the answer is 6 over 5. So whenever you see this heart, you can also work backwards to break things apart. So now it's your turn. Pause the video.